Trojan Bot is easily my top 3 airdrop this year, and if you miss on this opportunity, you are potentially missing on thousands of dollars and tens of thousands of dollars. So I want you to take your favorite drink with you and remove all distraction and concentrate 100% on this video, because it can literally make a huge difference for you this year. Hello guys, my name is Mazine and I'm a crypto investor and trader since 2021. This is my second profitable bull run, and in this channel I explain to you the best crypto opportunities. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification. That way you're gonna be the first one to get notified. So first, I had a lot of people asking me what is exactly an airdrop. An airdrop is like a gift that is given by the developers of a crypto projects to their community. They give it to the people who have been using their services or projects or holding their coins over a consistent and a long period of time. Some crypto projects directly announce their airdrop, so people are more motivated to use the project, and some don't and give it as a surprise. That way they can create more awareness. Airdrops have been a big part in the crypto culture, just like meme coins. People like us use our money and time to make banks out of these opportunities. Our project today is a trading bot named Trojan. Trojan is basically a tool that allows you to buy and sell tokens before they are listed on bigger platforms. And it will allow you to trade faster than any other tool. That way you can get the best opportunities and prices that you want. Trojan hit over plus 3 billion trading volumes recently, and as you can see, they have over 200,000 users and their daily trading volume is over $26 million. I personally used to use Bot before, but I completely switched to Trojan because they are the fastest. As you can see on their tweet, they said that they are the fastest bot right now and that they are consistently improving that, so they get even more faster with time. Also guys, if you are not yet following me on Twitter, here is my Twitter. Make sure to follow me and activate the notification there too, because I will be posting new trades and new crypto opportunities. Okay, now let's move to their airdrop announcements. In one of their founders' tweet, they said that they will be allocating some Trojan, their new coins that is not yet launched, to their current users. In the rest of the tweet, they talk about why they changed their name from Unibot to Trojan, and they gave some reasons. What really matters for us is the airdrop part. So this is a good point for us because basically the airdrop is confirmed. A lot of you guys know this coin, which is Bonk, but I wanted to show it to you guys because Bonk actually is a trading bot, and the same way as Trojan want to do, Bonk already did an airdrop before to their users. Their coin did more than 100x, and as you can see on the graph, it was a very good investment. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, that we are very early in this project. Once you get your airdrop, you can sell some part of it and hold some part of it and potentially get even more returns on your investment, just like we saw Bonk did. So now let's move to the technical part on how you can use Trojan and can farm your airdrop that can be worth thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. In the description below, you will find the link that you can use to start using Trojan. The link will also allow you to get minus 10% on your trading fees. Once you open Trojan on your Telegram, you will see this. And when you click on start, you will get this message. I already have some Solana in my wallet, but for you, you will need to send your Solana to your Trojan wallet. To do that, all you need to do is to copy your Trojan address that is here and send Solana from your exchange to your Trojan wallet by using the Solana Chain. Once you do that, your Trojan will show that your balance increased. In a normal exchange, you get a list of coins that you choose, but here it's different. You have to copy the address of the coin you want to trade. We can go to CoinMarketCap and copy the address of Dog with Hat. I chose Dog with Hat because it's a coin that we called it very early in our private community, and we did more than 35x on it. And this is a great opportunity to tell you guys about our private community where we share the best crypto opportunity calls and airdrop. So if you are interested, you can follow the instruction below and join us. So I click on buy and I enter the address of the token I want to buy. Then I click on 0.1 to choose which amount of SOL I want to buy. I choose 0.1. My transaction is being confirmed, and now as you can see, there is a buy success message. If I come here and click on view tokens, You can see that my position in WIF is this. Now let's sell my WIF tokens. I come here and I choose sell X%, and I choose how many percent I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 100%. Okay, great, I sold my WIF. Obviously I lost some money because the price went down in this moment. Now let's withdraw my money. I come to menu and I click on withdraw. I choose Solana, and then I choose Sol, and then I click on set withdraw address. Now I have to paste my Solana address from my exchange. And these are the basics of how you can buy and sell your tokens on Trojan. I'm going to go further on details right now, but before going in, I want to emphasize that in this airdrop you have to have a large amount of volume and consistency. So you need to be doing transaction every day and trying to have the largest amount of volume possible. Okay, now let's move to the more advanced settings. So limit orders. If we click on limit orders, you have no active limit orders. Create limit orders from the buy sell menu. So limit orders is basically to buy at a certain price that we want. So we click on buy, enter the address, and then we click on limit. So we can change the trigger price. Let me check. Okay, so if I want the trigger price to be 3.39, I can type that, and my trigger price now is 3.39, and I can click on create order. Now if I click on view limit orders, I can see that my limit order is 0.1 sol at 3.39. So once the price is at $3.39, my order will be executed. I can click on close all to close the order. I also can create limit orders by saying if I want a certain market cap or a certain percentage change. Now let's move to the DCA orders. So DCA means to dollar cost average. It means that you will not be buying the coin at only one price, but you will buying it at multiple prices automatically by setting up the bot. So you click on DCA orders, and we're gonna have that we have no active DCA orders, so we can create one by going to buy. We enter our coin, and then we can change the settings that are here. So for example, I want to buy the coin each 30 minutes. I can come to interval and say buy the coin each 30 minutes. And for the duration, let's say I want you to buy the coin for a whole day. 48 times he will keep buying 0.1 sol. And for the minimum price, I can say only buy if the price is $2. And only buy if the price is below $3. Okay, perfect. So now I can create my order and the bot will buy automatically without me having to do any action. Okay, now let's explain the copy trade option. So if we click on copy trade, we have copy trade allows you to copy the buys and sells of any target wallet. So when it's green, it indicates a copy trade setup is active. So let's set one up. We click on new, and here we have to pass the address of a wallet that we want to copy. We go to Dex Screener, we click on charts and transactions, and let's, for example, copy this one. Click on target wallet. We enter the target wallet we want to copy. And here we can change the percentage of the buys. So if, for example, we set it at 50%, if the target buys with 1 sol, we will be buying with 0.5. And if we want to buy at a certain amount each time, we can set this up too as well. So you can set it up at 0.1, for example. So each time the wallet will be entering a position, we will be entering the position with 0.1 sol. We can also copy the sales, so each time it sells, we will be selling as well if we have that coin. Okay guys, so now we are going to talk about the take profit and stop loss orders and how to set them up. So you go to settings and you click on auto sell. Here they explain very well how it works. So let's say, for example, you want to have 1 stop loss and 4 take profit targets, and let's say when the price goes down 25%, you want to completely get out of that position, so you want to sell 100% of your tokens. But if the price goes up 2 times or 100%, you want to sell 50% of your tokens. So that will be your first take profit order, and the second TP will be at 250%, you will sell 20%. So how to set those up? So for example, let's say you want to set your stop loss. You come here and you say when the price goes down 25%, okay, I want to sell 100% of my tokens. Okay, you can see it changed here. Then let's do a take profit order. So if the price goes up 100%, I want to sell 50% of my position. So here, as you can see, I have 1 stop loss and 1 take profit order. You can set up the rest. Okay guys, so now let's talk about more settings. So there is the copy trade option, we already talked about it. LP Sniper is not yet launched. We have the new pair options, which give you like what are the new pairs that launched on Solana. Then we have the referral to get your referral link. Then the settings. So if we go in the settings, we have multiple options that we choose from. So we have the fast mode or the turbo mode. So I would advise you to keep it on the fast mode if you are buying big coins, for example, WIF and big Solana coins. But if you are buying small coins, it's better if you turn it to turbo. That way you can snipe and trade faster than if you used fast mode. Then for MEV, I don't touch those. Auto buy, auto sell, we already talked about them. For the confirm trades option, don't touch it. It's just a double confirmation. The PNL value gives you how much profit you made, and the chart preview give you the chart preview of the token you want to buy. Then you have show high tokens, keep it as it is. Wallets to see how much you have in your wallets. Then you have the bolt mode. So the bolt mode is currently early access and available only to most active users by volume or transaction count, or those who have onboarded the most people. You can also hold plus 50 Sol in your wallet to get early access. So I believe this mode is very rapid or very fast. So if you want, you can hold more than 50 Sol and get access to it. Then if we go back, we have the bridge mode. So the bridge mode is if you have Ethereum and you want to bridge it to Solana. So they give you an Ethereum wallet that you can send Ethereum to it, and then from there you can bridge it to Solana and trade Solana coins. So this bot actually is only trading Solana coins, but in the future maybe they will be trading Ethereum coins as well. Okay, for the slippage and the sell slippage, I would advise you to keep it at 15%, and for the sell slippage as well, keep it at 15%. If you encounter any transaction that gets declined, you can try to increase the slippage a little bit more, but most of the time 15% is very good for most of the situations. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comments. You can subscribe to the channel so you can get the latest updates, and follow me on other social media. See you on the next one, and take care.